Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Outlook tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to launch Outlook in safe mode. This can be useful if Outlook is not working properly for you and you want to test whether it is due to any extensions or themes. I will first show you how Outlook works on my computer at the moment. This is what it looks like for me. Now we close the program and start Outlook in safe mode. We press the shortcut Windows and R. And here we enter outlook.exe /save. Now we press OK and see that Outlook does not open directly, but that we first have to select the profile. There is only one profile here, so we press OK and Outlook opens in safe mode. We can see that it now looks a bit different because Outlook in safe mode does not use extensions and designs that are not vanilla. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.